Like, someone ran off to do their own electrician business because they were a good electrician. And all they end up doing is, well, I work 80 hours a week being an electrician. So your board of advisors, your mentors, things like this include your CPA, your accountant, your attorney. Maybe there's 2 attorneys. We have a business attorney and we have an employment law attorney. We have a CFO that we use. That's a fractional CFO. He's not an employee. We pay an hourly rate for him to give us advice and feedback on things. And then of course there's Corby in Denver, who is like, chief mentor. But yeah, you don't go it alone. And when you try to go out and pitch things to other people, like maybe you need some investment funds from some friends or family, or maybe from a financial institution, that's on there. Like, who are you talking to outside of your own brain? Because we want to deal with other people. Well, here's our list of people that we talk to and take advice from, and everyone appreciates that you are not doing it by yourself.
Yeah, and I like to think of this as like your round table of knowledge and influence that you're building. You want to pick people that are the best at what they do. Pick the best attorney, pick the best financial person you can talk to, pick the best of the best. Surround yourself with the best, because there's that quote, you are the sum of the 5 people you surround yourself with.
Average.
So, you are the average.
If you're the sum, you're a really big person.
Sorry,
but you're the average of
more
the 5
sense.
people that you hang out.
But yeah, you've got to surround yourself with that team, and that comes back in business. It's not a solo event, it's a team event, it's a family thing. You got to build your network, and so teamwork makes the dream work. I love that quote. But as soon as we started getting these people on our team, everything got easier, because you're not freaking out when something happens. You're like, well, we'll just hand it off to this advisor and see what they think. Or,
yeah,
it makes it a lot more fun.
This isn't it's not static either. As you get bigger, you can get better, more expensive advisors if you want. So like when we launched, we didn't start with a fractional CFO. We started with a service called Bench, which was a quasi-AI accounting thing. They used QuickBooks, but they did it their own special way. And that was very inexpensive. It was $130 a month, I think, something like that. So, and then when we got big enough, well, now I want a whole dedicated CFO to tell us these things instead of this software that's based in Canada, not the US. And it worked out that well. So you can always upgrade those investors over time.
Yeah, but I think one of the bigger ones here is mentors. Like we can be your mentors. We have a mentor. Don't go at it alone. Like the smartest people in the world that were geniuses, they stood on the shoulders of giants. They had other people they modeled after, because success leaves clues. So just follow those clues, guys. Get some mentors, get some people around you.